that Trans-Pacific Journey Fishing Corporation was the biggest importer for that round. Is that correct?
Yes, because they are the biggest fishing company in terms of total volume of fish landed, not only galunggong. Kasi ang Trans-Pacific Journey is tuna and galunggong eh.
So that would explain why they got the biggest allocation. Is that correct?
It's not about galunggong. It's not species specific. It's about total volume of seafoods landed. Mr.
All right. Can you state for the record who are the owners of this
The
TPJ?
family of the Tiangcos, Mr. Chair.
Congressman Toby Tiangco.
Their family, kasi ang kumpanya na yan was owned by their parents.
Do you not find any conflict of interest, Mr. Secretary, that the Tiangcos are importing the largest fishing agalunggong for this round?
Well, if you want me to really comment on that, I think they deserve what they are getting because they are the pinakamalaki nilaland talaga eh. This is very scientific and everything, so wala akong nakikitang issue.
Well, I'm stating it for the record because Congressman Tiangco is actually a member of the Aquaculture and Fisheries Committee in the last Congress. Hindi ba? So you did not make conflicts of interest checks relating to this.
Sa akin, sa akin, I've been working in the industry for so long. Yung kumpanya nila is, their family has been in fishing for more than 60 years. So, it is performance-based, Mr. Chair. So, technically, kung sino pinakamaraming niland, recorded ng PFDA yan, nagbabawal ng buwis yan, so they should get the biggest allocation.
But in the several rounds that you had made importations for galunggong, is it correct to say that this is only the first time that they were like the top importer?
Just give you an example. Ang inaalaw lang namin ngayon is lahat ng in-unload na actual figure na in-unload sa PFDA, fishery ports. Nung previous bago ako pumasok, they were allowing unloading in private ports na kung sino lang maglista-lista. At ang rami kong tinanggal na listahan dahil maraming kalokohan. Sa totoo lang, nung panahon before my time sa importation ng isda. And ayoko nang sabihin kasi meron din isang congressman na humingi sa akin ng maraming allocation at hindi ko pinagbigyan ng isda. At ang pangalan nun, Saldico.
All right. But very clear, no? Okay. So pag-usapan ho natin, how many times have yung pong TPJ had actually been able to import, that they were the top importers?
Palagi sila nasa top.